All right, so it's back to school time, and if you teach younger children in your classroom, this Desk Fairy set might be exactly what you're looking for to encourage your students to keep a tidy desk. Now, this was sent to me for review, and having spent 20 years in elementary classrooms, I love the idea of this, especially for girls in your classroom. Now, the set comes with 24 cards, and it simply says, "The Desk Fairy. I'm the Desk Fairy, just buzzing about. I visited your classroom to check some things out. All tired from flying, I needed a seat. So I stopped by your desk and found it so neat. Enjoy your tidy desk treat." So we've got a rhyming little card here. And then it comes with your Desk Fairy pencils and eraser tops. Let me show you these. So it's simply a sparkly pencil here in a bunch of different colors, and then you've got this star eraser, and it also comes with a bunch of sealable bags. So you just get your card, throw it in the bag, drop your pencil across, throw in your eraser, and then you take off this red sticky tape, fold it over and seal it off. Now you probably I should have done it backwards so it would fold on the back side, but you guys are probably smarter than me and you probably figured that out on your own. It's a cute little kit that you can use to reward your students for having tidy desks. I think some students are going to get really excited about this. It's a cool option. So if you have younger students in your classroom, you might want to check this out.